Welcome to this interesting module, How to Remember or Memorize Anniversaries. Anniversaries and birthdays are the most important things in our life which we tend to forget on a regular basis, whether the anniversaries of our friends, our wife, our son and daughters, or our parents. How can we remember them? Let's learn the technique. Anniversaries are very easy to remember if you consider only two things. Let's take one example that my sister's anniversary falls on 3rd September. How do we remember the date and the month? Every date has two numbers, that is, and it can be related with the peg method. And the month, for every month we can create a vivid picture as there is one particular event in every month. Now let's get to the peg system of the numbers. How we can convert the numbers into words. Whereas 0 stands for S, 9 stands for PB, 8 stands for FNV, 7 stands for K, 6 stands for G, J and Ch, 5 stands for L, 4 stands for R, 3 M, 2 N, 1 is TD. So now 0, 3, if you see, 0 becomes S and 3 becomes M. So the word related with 03 is sumo. If the number was 04, it becomes SNR, sari. If the number was 05, you can say the number becomes salt. So every number there is a vivid picture which you have to memorize from 0 to 99 or 0 to 31, as there are only 31 days in a month. Now let's relate the month. The month is September. So say if the month was July, it denotes rainy season and you can have a picture of umbrella. If the month was August, it denotes the Independence Day, the Indian flag. The key picture is the flag. Now September denotes Teacher Day and you have the picture as a teacher. So now what is to be done is you have to link the number 03 and September, sister and yourself with the anniversary. So what we will create is we will think of something weird, that the sumo is getting married to the teacher. So when you say sumo getting married to teacher, you remember teacher is the month September and sumo is 03 and the party is taking place at your sister. So you remember the anniversary is the sister and you are the best man. Once this picture gets embedded on your mental screen, you remember that 3rd of September is your sister's anniversary. Now let's take, if the date was changed to say 4th of September or 5th of September, how you're going to remember it. Now 04 becomes sari and 05 is salt. So you can remember as that the sister is gifted by the teacher a beautiful sari and you are also commenting on that sari. And if the anniversary was on 05, there was, you can imagine, there was no salt in the food that was prepared and the teacher was commenting that there was no salt today in today's food. So in this way, by making vivid picture, you can remember the anniversary of your sister. Now let's take one more example. It is saying 13 June is your friend Naveen's anniversary. Now here are again two things, 1 and 3, 13, and June is the month which you have to relate with your friend. So let's take the peg system again and convert the numbers 1 and 3 into a picture or the image, and also see what June refers to as the keyword month and convert them into a picture. Let's take the peg system. Now for 1 and 3, if you visualize, 1 stands for TD, 2N, 3M, 4R, 5L, 6 is G, J and Ch, 7K, 8FV, 9PB and 0 is S. So 13 becomes TD. You can take either T or D, and 3 becomes M. So the word T and M, if you add vowels, it becomes team. And June denotes, if you see the picture, we always go on a summer vacation in the month of June. So it is vacation time and you can have a vivid picture that you are going on a beach. So beach becomes the key picture for the month of June. and May it is very hot, so you can take it is as the labor month, or the sun is very bright, so sun can be for May, and a fool can be denoted for the April month, as 1st of April is celebrated as Fool's Day. Now T and M, if you see, team, and 1 and 2 becomes D and N, Diana, and 1 and 4 becomes tire. So if any of the dates was there, we will discuss later on how we can remember the anniversary. Now let's take 1 and 3, which is team, and how we are going to link the team with your friend and the month June. Now what image we can create is that the team has come on a beach and your friend has invited the team for a beach party, and you are also there enjoying this party wearing a garland. As soon as garland comes into your mind, you remember that it is your friend's anniversary, where it was given beach. The beach reminds you it was month of June, and T and M gives you the number as 13. When you put T and M, the confusion will be lost. If you put Diana in the image, the anniversary is on 12th, and if you put 14 tire in the picture, then the anniversary is on 14. So sometimes what we happen is we remember the month, but there is a confusion of the date. But by this method, the confusion is totally cleared out. As you remember, if it was Diana, you can visualize your friend and Diana fighting together on the beach for garland. And if it was 14th of June, you can imagine on a beach, your friend is wearing a tire and you are telling why you are wearing a tire instead of a garland. So are you stupid, you are telling. So this vivid picture makes you and gets the confusion clear of the date. Now let's take one more example, that your parents' dad's anniversary is on 30th April. How you are going to remember it? Now it has also same thing, two parts, 30 is the number and April is the month. Now as I said before, April represents the fool's month, or you have to make the picture with the fool. And let's see again the peg system. What does 3 and 0 denote? Now 3 and 0 denotes mouse. So M and S is the keyword, and 3 and 1 becomes mat, M-A-T, and 3 and 2 becomes money. So you have to link the mouse. You can take a computer mouse or a real mouse, that is an animal also, and make the vivid picture. Now let's link the date and the month together to form this vivid picture. If you see, April denotes fool or the joker, again May denotes the labor, and the June denotes the beach. So we have the code for the month of April as the Fool's Day. So you have to make the picture with the joker in this. So your mental screen, the image will be of the joker and the month and a mouse, and see what the picture tells us. In this we see that there is a Ganesh temple and there is a mouse too. So your dad is trying to put a garland around the mouse, and the joker is laughing looking at this scene, and you are also laughing along with the joker. So you can see Papa putting the garland around the mouse. Garland gives you the clue that it is his anniversary, and mouse gives you the number 3 and 0. So you know it is 30th, and the joker in this picture helps you to recollect that it is the month of April, as he is putting the garland around the mouse. So by keeping this picture intact for months or years together, you remember that your parents' anniversary is on 30th of April. Now let's take, if it was 31st, what you're going to do? You can imagine that you're going to a circus with MS Dhoni along with your father, and at the circus, MS Dhoni 3 and 1 or is giving a he's giving a garland. The joker is giving a garland to his father. You can also take 3 and 1 as mat, that you are sitting on a mat along with your father and watching a ceremony at the circus where the joker is also there. Then the next date is 28th July, which let's say is your own anniversary, which you tend to generally forget. Now again by the same method we can link all the three together. Like take 2 and 8 and convert, where 2 stands for N and 8 stands for F or V. And there is a particular picture for July, as July is the rainy season, so you can have an umbrella in your mind and then convert the following. Now again let's go to the PEG method and see what does 2 and 8 stands. 2 stands for N and 8 stands for F and V. So try forming a word with NF or NV, whichever comes into your mind. The most suitable word that comes into my mind is NV, that is a navy ship, which we can visualize that on a navy ship what is happening. Let's look at again the month code or the number code. The number 28 denotes navy, and if the number was 27 you have to make a picture with the neck, and if the number was 29 the picture becomes NNB, that is nib. So you can take the navy as the code 2 and 8 and form a vivid image. Now let's take the month. The month here is July. So what happens in July? July there is lot of rain. So the code word for July is an umbrella. Now if your anniversary was August, you could take flag, and if it was in September as it was earlier I have shown as sister's anniversary, teacher was the code. So now you have to make the image with the umbrella, your wife, yourself, the navy ship together and along with the garland. So now let's take that everybody on this navy ship is having a rain dance party. Everybody is dancing in the rain, and you can visualize your wife dancing in the rain with an umbrella too. So when you say umbrella, you remember the month July, and your wife means that is it is your anniversary, and everybody wearing garlands on the ship and dancing in the rain gives you that your anniversary is on 28th of July. So in this way you can create your own images. If the date was 27, you can imagine that you are getting a big necklace for your neck of your wife on a navy on the in the rainy season. So similar vivid pictures can help you recollect the anniversaries of your friends, relatives, your father, your parents. Now when was your sister's anniversary? You remember it is 3rd September. Dad, it is 30th April. Your friend, you remember clearly, team and June, 13th June. And your own anniversary was on 28th July. I hope you like this module where we try to recollect anniversaries of a few friends and relatives, and you can create many more like this with your own dates and own months which are very true. Thank you.